everyone, welcome back to the channel. Also, welcome back to Firework Mania. Yeah, I finally recovered from this multiplayer thing from Fireworks Mania. Holy moly! That really exploded, like literally, like right. That was insane. Everyone was like talking about it. Everyone was talking about when is multiplayer gonna come. Just already like last year, people were already talking about it, and also this year, people were talking about it even more. And it was like it felt so far away, and it's so basically pretty stable. There are so many like game developers that can even like create a really good server or a very like stable connection or stable like multiplayer when they're going to like go over to multiplayer. And so those are like triple A studios, and they really have like struggling with trying to get a good like multiplayer base. This is insane. Like it's just beta, and there it is. It's just a guy just working on a virus game, and now it's getting into multiplayer. It's so much fun. Super Drozel, MST, Keltasar, Trix, Gunako. It's so much fun to play with these guys. Yeah, really thankful I know all these people. You know, I met all these people. This is all because I started a YouTube channel. You know, I met all these people, and yeah, it's awesome. You know. But it's not, of course, it's not all. We're not gonna drill all over the multiplayer. It is a lot of fun, but yeah, what Super actually said made a lot of sense. Like we're constantly getting pulled into the multiplayer. I really wanted to have some me time. If that makes sense. And I really wanted to cover the new 4th of July pack from Amnesty. It is collection number 1 because I already made a collection. That is, of course, that was last year, and he made another collection. He is still working really hard on a new pack. He's trying. He's a dad. He has a job. You know, there's a life behind people that are modding. So oh, look at that! I love his face. It's so good. I love that one. It's like shoots flaming balls with reports. And I like that he's actually always shooting flaming balls, right, at people. Kinda makes sense. Yeah, so I actually already saw this pack. This pack is in the multiplayer. There are 2 versions of the game. So this is the experimental branch again, just a normal game. There's of course now a beta that's for 7th of July. And then the multiplayer will stop. Yeah, it will last to, I believe. So this mod is also in there. So I have seen some of the fireworks, but like in total chaos. It is insane. The multiplayer is just insane. Definitely the just open, like public servers. Yeah. Like they don't even last 2 days. They just completely just getting spammed, and people just get. There's just, you know, there are warnings everywhere, and people just can't do anything normally, as usual. But we're gonna start with the fall. What is it? The small festival ball. Okay, that's weird. 90 seconds. So let's just make it night, and we're gonna start it up. Here we go. It's almost midnight. Beautiful. Let's start it. Let's start with the first one. Yeah, so it's nice to just have it here. Just doing one by one. Also having my trusty lighter. Here we go. We're gonna start with number 1, the small cake. Instantly so good. I've already seen it, but also I didn't see it because multiplayer is it's just totally chaos. So it's really nice to see it in this very calm setting. Oh, and finish. So good. I love the smoke. The smoke. Oh, it just brings so much joy. You know, it just makes it so realistic. Rally Racing. I always like this one. I like this one a lot on multiplayer. But we're gonna now see it in just this really nice calm setting. Here we go. Rally Racing. Ooh. For just a small cake, those are some very loud brakes. So nice. Really love the tail coming out of it. Oh, it's so good. Yeah, that's why I really love this one. Just for a small cake like that, it's really good. Now we're gonna go to tough in the sky. So let's put the demonic away. Touch in the sky. Here we go. Pretty big one, the first big one. Oh, look at that. So nice. Yep. Look at that. Oh, it's gonna be nice when we are putting all the fireworks at once. Look at that. Just those launches, man. Ah, beautiful. It's just basically a small show in a cake. Really good. Do love the artwork. Really love it. Look at that. 239 shots. Really fast. That's some shots really quick. So, yeah, look at that. Shoots flaming balls. Yeah, sure. Alright, next one is the demonic Corona. Ooh. We're gonna do the color one. So we're gonna see this is color. Nice. The game tells us. That's handy. Okay, that's good. Alright, here we go. Demonic Corona. Do love the artwork. This is insane. This is a cake with 3-inch shells. Yeah, look at that. There's just shells in there. Yeah. Oh, man. That is good. Okay, my cat is just playing with her food. Don't know why. Cats. Oh my god, it's so good. Yeah, MST was talking about that these were not allowed or something because they're like too big. That's what she said. But yeah, I don't know. I just like it. It's like Dragon Ball Z kind of, but it's the Corona beer and then with the demonic real virus. Scary stuff. Okay, next one is the noise. I do remember this one. I love that one. We're gonna talk that one later. Okay, well, we're gonna get to it. Are you gonna like disappear? Let's just do that. This is the just noise version, so there's obviously no stuff coming out. Oh yeah. Yep, that is noise. Very noisy. You gotta love it, man. Damn. Just the launch sound itself is already good. Oh, 2 at once. Oh man, that is good. Just the sound goes so far. Yeah, that's insane. Just in real life, that would be very loud. Definitely a good like start for a show. Okay, we got to double down. Very nice. Kind of a Vegas kind of cake. See that? Yeah. Whoa. Kind of a I forgot the word. But where you can like do this, you know, cards and stuff. Just forgot the word. Okay. Sorry about that. Here we go. Casino. There we go. That was the word. Really a casino, really nice. Double down. Look at that. That's double down because there's always two stuff coming out. Oh yeah. There's also going two stuff. Two shells coming out. Two stuff. It's not weird. Really good. I really like it. Really like it. Beautiful. That was all the effects at once. Very nice. Like it. Look at the smoke. So good. Next one, we got Mind Bender. I really... Oh, let's actually turn it on. Oh, let's turn on the flashlight. Oh, look at that. That looks really good. You go away there. Trump's gonna be ready later. Trump is mostly always ready, right? Yeah, look at that, man. Look at that artwork. Oh! I always loved those artworks. Like, when I was a kid, I always loved skulls. I still kind of love it, but, you know, you're getting older and then, you know, some other interests are getting more important. Use only supervision. Yeah, okay. So what's it saying on the bottom? A fuse that fills? Oh, yeah, there's another fuse on it, right? Yeah. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Forgot the word? Forgot the word? Mindbender. There we go. So good. Oh, man. Those are heavy shots. They're basically the same kind of loudness as the coronavirus. Oh, and a finish. Oh, those gold palms. Look at that. Beautiful. Really good. Really good. Alright, next one. We got the Emerald Blast. Love the name. Really like it. Oh, it fell over. Could have gone off, right? Really dangerous. Well, that's what they say here in the Netherlands. They're just really going insane here. I'm just not going to talk about it. Here we go. The large bore cakes features multi-level effects. Brilliant greens. Fairy crackle. Fairy. And a final of glittering gold. There we go. So it's 500 grams, 25 seconds. Beautiful. Made in USA, is that what it says? Design in USA. Ah, design? What does that mean? Like, the box is designed, the fireworks is made probably in China, right? Here we go. Love the comments coming out of there. Really nice coming out of the bottom. Really good. Again, very loud. Really good pops. So good. With the crackle. Oh, and a finish. Oh, beautiful. Ah, that's good. Wow, the emerald. Very good. Now we got Trump. Trump is ready. Ah, so he's always ready. He's always ready, right? There we go. Love it. So it's all obviously all existing. So this one exists. Like I just want to have it just for the artwork on the box. It's just unique. Alright, so this is the brand. This is the Raccoon. Alright, here we go. This is, what was that called? Oh, of course, America first, yeah. Oh, whoa! Whoa! Oh, whoa! Oh, like crackles in between. Wow. Whoa, really fast one. But that is Trump, right? He's just in your face, like, whoa! Like, calm down, sir. He definitely, yeah. He can definitely get you, right? Alright, we got the Raging Willow, also Raccoon. That's this one. This is another small cake. That's the last small cake we have. Oh, we just fell over. Yeah, it's the last small cake. Oh! Yeah, it is. Okay. Here we go. There we go. Raging Willow, also Raccoon. 19 shots. Here we go. Way different sound. Really like the late kind of echo pop. Also really like the high difference. Very, very well done. Oh, finish. So good. Alright, that's so good. For a small one, again, the loudest small one is definitely the rally racing. That's insane. And the small festival, yeah, that's pretty insane for small cakes. Pretty good breaks. We got Uncle Sam. Very 4th of July. Of course, the guy that is, you know, the suit I have on my intro. Trinity. Is it Trinity? Oh wait, I got the wrong one. Whoops. Oh, here it is. It just fell over. So messy. This is Uncle Sam. Oh, I love the color. This one, like, it's so beautiful. Oh yeah, there he is. There's Uncle Sam. Love the artwork again. But if you really feel like it's shiny, it doesn't like when you're moving around. It doesn't like move the shine. That's of course, you know, it's a little too much for the game, or just modding that. Oof, you know. But again, raccoon fireworks. So here we go, Uncle Sam. But you really have the feeling it's shiny. You know, probably a very nice box seeing it in the store. Yeah. Look at those. Oh man. Very fast color, and then the palms really large coming out. So good. Beautiful. Damn. Oh, and a finish. Yeah, that would look amazing in real life. Very, very good. Especially when I would like ignite in my street. Whew. Will probably just hit everything. It's all the trees. Alright, Donut King. Also, again, I love the artwork. Oh, that one is stuck. Just gonna. There we go. Dunkin' Donuts. No, it's not. Donut King. Okay. Yeah, there we go. Donut King. Whoa, that looks so tasty. I'm like a big sucker for like colory images, so I love it. Love it already. Shoots flaming balls again. Carefully read warning on other battles. But here we go. Donut King. Yeah. Oh, it's another one. Oh yeah. Oh, I've never actually haven't seen this one. There's just chaos with online, so this one just falls away in the chaos. Wow, that was beautiful with those two rings. Whoa. Ooh. Wow. Again, very nice fireworks to have in real life. Yeah, that would be amazing. Wow, yeah, there were donuts in the sky. Really good. Now we got the Chroma Chameleon Premium. Jesus, this is a mouthful. That is a mouthful. Alright, here we go. I have no idea what this one does because in the complete chaos, no idea. So here we go. I knew it was definitely the same as the Touch in the Sky. Touch the Sky. Whoa! Ooh. Very different crackles. Not popping this time. Ooh, look. Love the comments coming out of there. The bottom. That's it? Yeah. Very short one. Very nice. Again, for starting a show. Yeah, it's pretty good. Now we got the ta-da! I'm trying to put the button didn't work. Ta-da! But the ta-da is, I believe this is the favorite of the whole pack. MSD's favorite, this one. And I will show you guys why, because this one is really nice. I do kind of remember it, but here we go. Oh yeah, look at that. Just starts off really well. Yeah. Just love the color. Purple. Yeah. Orange. Love the lake crackle. Yeah, so this was kind of his favorite, I believe it was. Yeah, it's really good. Beautiful. Very, very, very good. Again, the good cake for just starting up a show. It's beautiful. Let's take this one with us because, yeah, this is this one I spawned in. Get out of here. Yeah, we got the guerrilla warfare. Crazy, right? Let's remove these. Look at the artwork. Like, look at the modeling. Oh, okay. It's so good. First, we're going to, of course, start with the Trinity, and then we got the guerrilla business. Guerrilla warfare. Trinity first. It's another 3-inch. Triple brakes. Okay. We'll see what happens. Oh, yeah, there are 3 shells coming out. Whoa. Oh, that is awesome. Oh, that's finished. Yeah. Oh, that's nice. Beautiful. Very, very nice. Definitely unique with 3 shells in one. Just one of those tubes. Crazy. Yeah. Alright, next one. The last one we got from the pack. This is guerrilla warfare. There we go. Ooh. Quickly. Go over the table. Okay. Oh! What the hell? You're not making sound. How is that possible? It's really fast, so that's it. Wow. Yeah, you never like notice that because when you're in multiplayer, there's fireworks everywhere, so you don't actually hear the not sounding problem. Okay, so no sound. Interesting. Ooh, I love the soft, like, what is that? Like kind of foam in between. Yeah, awesome. Okay, so yeah, no sound. Alright. Interesting. Gotta check that out, Embassy. There's something wrong. Could be that, yeah, no, it is definitely included. I only have this one installed. So I don't have all the other, like, cakes interfering. Okay, so what we do is we're going to put, of course, we're going to put everything. We're just going to put it on the table. Let's see if I can put everything on the table. Okay, that's fun, yeah. And I see you guys back. Bye. Alright, everything is set up. Everything is connected. I hope everything is connected. I hope it is. It all fit on the table. It is so perfect. Yeah, there's just no room. Maybe for just one small cake, but not like bigger cakes. It's perfect, man. Yeah, it's perfect. So let's do that and run away. Here we go. Here we are. I kind of connected it pretty well, I think. So here we go. Yeah, the timing couldn't be any better, right? It just ended up with 2 loud noise, Corona noise version. Yeah. Oh, so good. Timing is perfect. Even the pack, well, I fused it perfectly right. So I just did it really well. 12 o'clock. Beautiful. Oh, it's all disappears now. Yeah, so it fitted on there so well. So good looking. Yeah, so everything fitted on the table. So I should say perfect, right? just to have a whole, just a fast review, it's just great again, as usual. He's still working on a few mods. There are some more mods coming out. I'm just in time for the recording 4th of July. Well, I'm happy that I made it to 4th of July. Yesterday I made the intro, and so yeah, I just recorded everything at once. I don't really have to edit a lot, just to edit some stuff like the show and everything. So yeah, I don't have to edit a lot. So it's pretty good. It's exactly half an hour. Beautiful. It's perfect. Yeah, I see you guys in the next one. I hope you enjoyed. I see you guys in the next video. There's going to be a Minecraft video in the future. So, gotta wait for that. And yeah, alright. I'll see you guys in the next one.